Okay, so to run the web app, what you need to do is you need to open the terminal. Okay, you can open from here, or you can write here cmd and enter. Okay, this is the location of your project in this web app. Okay, before opening it, just make sure you have a model path. You have the full whatever wherever you have put the model, you just give the full path. This is the path, is my path, so I gave the path. So path, once you fix the path, just go to the CMD, and here if you have installed Python and all, just write Python, the name of the app.py file, app.py, and hit enter. Okay, now it is running. You just need to go to this server. Okay, just copy it and paste it in the browser. Enter control plus enter. Okay, you'll open this, or either you can just whatever you have copied, you can paste in the browser, and the link will open. This is how you run it. And if while you run this python.app py, if you get any library error, input error, like for example, whatever input library error you get, like Flask or anything, you just need to install that library. Okay, how you install it? Like pip install and the name of the library, whatever. If Flask is not there, and enter. Where it is, just need to write pip install and the name of the library. That's it. Just make sure the paths are correct. Okay, paths are correct in the file. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.